You can try to blow out candles with your punch, and that is a good way to practice your speed. I recommend that to everyone who won't practice his punch speed. Like I said in previous video, for if you want to have a perfect punch, you must have unlocked 3 abilities: power, speed, and target. In this exercise I will show you today, you can practice all of these. First, I will show for beginners, and then I will show for advanced. So, the first thing I need to do is I must focus on that candle and I do some exercises. You can try to punch the candle, so you can exercise your target first. After a while, try a bit faster. Take your time and practice your move so much, and after that you will think you are ready. Try to open that candle. If you are already a beginner and you do that for first time, it is of course impossible to blow out the candle with the first time, or the second, or with the third time. You must practice that for many days or weeks until you achieve that. Thank you so much all of you for staying with me one more time until the end of this video. Tell me below in the comments if you have already tried this exercise and how many of you can achieve that. I see you next time. Thank you very much.